Greetings and welcome to the introduction to astronomy. One of the things that I like to do in each of my introductory astronomy classes is to begin the class with the astronomy picture of the day from the NASA website, that is apod.nasa.gov/apod. And today's picture for July the 26th of 2021. Well, it is titled CG4, a ruptured cometary globule. So what do we see here? Well, CG4 in the center is a cometary globule, which has the resemblance of a comet with a head here to the left hand side and the tail stretching back off to the right. Now it's called ruptured because it's not quite smooth at the initial portion at the top. And that is because, well, actually, I should say we don't really know why that is. Could be due to very massive stars or supernovae explosions that have disrupted that side of it. Now, we honestly don't know. And that's something that astronomers still try to figure out about this. What it looks like, as you get the nice image here, is that it is reaching out towards the galaxy out in the distance. Now, of course, we know that the two are not associated with each other at all, that the cometary globule is a part of our own galaxy and is much closer than the much more distant galaxy out there. So that galaxy is many millions of light years beyond our galaxy and nowhere near. But you do get the nice image that makes it look like almost a tentacle is reaching out towards this very distant galaxy. As we look around as well, we see a number of other objects in here, which are stars within our own galaxy. So many of the other objects that we're seeing are stars, are part of our own galaxy, similar to the cometary globule. And we'll notice some of the different colorings that we see. In fact, the colorings of the globule tend to be red from hydrogen gas, which glows red when it is excited. You'll notice that stars can appear as either red or blue, and that tells us about their temperatures. A very hot star emits a lot of high energy radiation and will appear blue in the sky. A very cool star will emit lower energy radiation and appear red. So just by glancing around the image here, you can get an idea of which are the hotter and which are the cooler stars. Looking for the red stars, relatively cool, and looking for the blue stars that are relatively hot. Now, which stars are closer and further away? Well, we really have no way of knowing. Some of those faint stars could be much closer, and some of the bright stars could be much further away. And that's because of the tremendous distances that are involved and the tremendous range of brightness of stars. So some stars are extremely faint and they have to be very close to us to be able to be seen at all. Other stars are incredibly bright and can be seen from great distances. And that includes most of the stars that you see when you look out at the night sky. But just by looking at an image like this and without making other measurements, there's no way to really tell exactly which of these stars are close and which of these stars are further away. So that was our picture of the day for July the 26th of 2021. It was titled CG4, a ruptured cometary globule. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be wisp of star death. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.